Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now we're still here with Bling Dawg, aka Ricky Rudy.
You mean?
Yeah. So Bling, like how we mentioned the AKA there, how many aliases do you have, brother?
Ah, well, people call me for me, oh, that's one. People call me AKA, people call me Bling, people call me Ricky, people call me Double R meaning Ricky Rudy. You know what I mean? People
Okay.
call me Boss Dog, you know?
Wow.
Bling Dog, you know?
Okay.
I'm Marlon.
Okay. Oh,
Me a
okay.
tall and one all house and all and
Got you. Got you. So, what? Somebody who just met you, what do they call you today?
Bling
Bling.
or Bling Dog or, you know what I mean? But people that know me long time really call me Marlon. For
Okay.
years.
Okay. All right. All right. So, Bling, right? Craig
Yeah.
has been bragging all weekend about your all reggae album, Elevate. Tell us about, well, first of all, tell us about the title of the album. Why Elevate?
Elevate is spelled ELEV and the number 8. It's just for over 2 decades I'm in the business. And I can't be doing the repetitive stuff. You'll get the same result. So I decided, say, I need to transcend it in maturity and growth.
Right.
You know what I mean? And elevate the album mean like me from one level to the next. You know what I mean? So the elevate is just growing. Because anything will stop, grow dead. So
Nice.
it's just me and music and my journey to music. And I'm trying to do music on the highest level. So that's where the elevation come from.
Nice.
Same.
Nice.
And tell us why you decided to do an all reggae album though, as a
Well,
dancehall giant.
thanks. Well, it's something that I always want to do. Because from the first day I put foot in this business, it's a journey for me. You know what I mean? Because I give you a girl song, I give you a road boy song from the Alliance days, I give you a dancing song, you know? And I feel like I have more to say more than just dancing song. No disrespect to dancing song, that's dancing song, but I feel like I could get deeper than just a dancing song, you know? And I feel like every artist, after you do certain times in dancehall, if you're mature to reach that column and level of music, you have to have both dancehall and one drop in your catalog. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? Because most of the giants, them, with me know, the Butcher Banton, the Capleton, the Sizzler, them, the Bounty Killer, the Beanie Man, them, they all are giants. Even the Busy Signal is giants because they have both sides of the music. Because when you're growing up, we know these people do both sides of the music, dancehall and both
And
one
reggae.
drop reggae.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
know what I
yeah.
mean? Even like in the documentary that Junior Gang even said, it's just nowadays just see some people, it's the younger artists them now, we will just do dancehall, and forget the reggae part of the music. And I feel like it really needed for me and my mission that made upon the music.
Yeah, yeah. Well, like Craig said, you are a giant yourself,
Thanks.
dancehall, reggae, and everything. But you also have some giants on your album as well. Can you tell us who you're featuring?
Well, I feature on the album Morgan Heritage, Bounty Killer,
Hey,
Popcorn,
hey,
Busy Signal, Romy and Virgo, Tanya Stevens,
hey.
and Morgan Heritage. Did I say that already?
You
And Bounty
did.
Killer.
You can't say it
Yeah.
twice. You can't say it twice.
Yeah.
We get it. We get it.
And Junior Gang produced 2 tracks on the album as well, because I've been working with Junior Gang for a minute. And it's Yo and Married to the Music he produced.
Excellent.
I was wondering what the second one in produced was, Cause you are one of my favorites.
Married to the Music.
You are one of my favorites on the album. We
Yeah, man,
actually
give
walk
thanks,
out to
man.
that. We actually walk out to that song there today.
Give thanks to that, man. Brother, I just stay focused and I try to do the thing and just try to give the world a better version of myself. You know what I mean? Because I love music. I don't fix car. I don't know if I fix car. I don't know nothing else. So this is the only way of my income. So I have to deal with it as a business. Because if you even notice by my Instagram, it's a business me I deal with. You know, so certain things me not post. It's just all music and all about me and my movements.
Nice, nice, nice. So you and I were speaking in the break a little bit about the journey of this track. Tell everybody, how long did it take for you to produce this album? And I know you spoke about one, Junior Gong, that produced a couple of tracks, but tell us about the ones that you produced as well.
Well, the one that I produce,
Yeah, how long has the journey been for this album?
well, matter of fact, I really produced the whole album with different producer. You know, man, the executive producer is Dago's production. I own the whole album. It's independent because I invest in the album on solely. Because when I'm starting this album from day one, it was me and just the most I. I never know which direction I go. If me even come out where me feel like something just I'll put it out myself, that's what I'm on. And I even produce tracks on the album, you know, and I make sure everything come out. It's about 5 years I'm working on this album because when I time I just take exercise for my life. I embedded myself in the exercise because people were saying, yo, we need to go back in the studio, but right now I have to fix all of my holiday. I have to fix me mentally, me physically, you know what I mean, I'm spiritually, because what music is, you have to find yourself first. You know, something that you get up on. The music connected to the universe and spirituality too, you know? And me find myself in that era of my life, and trust me, the Most High bless me. Because even what I was saying at the listening party, God is Amazing is one of the significant songs in the journey. Because at that time, that song that come, where you just pour me up to keep on going. You know, because you know, so not everything you have ups and downs. So I just keep on staying focused and just put the good forward and just push on.
Yeah, we get little, you know, God is amazing. We get little singer dog in that one.
Well, like my title say, it's just learning, you know, and growth. You know what I mean? And for the last 2-3 years, I'll be a singing song. I listen to and I try extend and nurture my talent to the next level, you know? Because, you know, everybody career, you have a weakness. So you just find that weakness and try to capitalize on it, you know, and keep on growing, because music, you will never stop learning. Okay, how long in a music?
True.
And I was saying to you in the break that I've seen your journey on Instagram as it relates to your physical. Like you're a beast. I press up on one finger, press up on one ear, press up on all everything there. And now speaking to you, I see that mentally as well. You're transcendent almost. You're glowing. What advice do you give to persons watching that, you know, just need a little help right now, a little like perspective? What advice would you give to people watching right now?
Well, first, you have to have self-love. You know, you have to have self-love. And exercise, what exercise do for me, exercise give me a discipline in my life, in all areas of my life, where I have a focus and I have a discipline. So you have to work on self first. And you know, everything where you do and try to be successful, it takes self, it takes time with self. Because even if you go to the gym and you have a trainer, when you leave the gym, everything is on you, because you have to watch your diet and watch what you eat. So not if the trainer tells you you have to do 50 push-up, you know, you still have to master your dieting, because it's 30% of working out and 70% of dieting, you know. And from you work on yourself and get your mental strong, you know, everything else will just come easy. And what I do in even this journey, I not deal with procrastination. If my plan say that me I go do, that me I go do. Because sometimes in our life we procrastinate too much and time passes by, because time don't wait on no one. And then you have to surround yourself with people that rate you and I want the same goal and the betterment for you. You know what I mean? Because sometimes you have people around you when they're on the same page where they're on, and the negative energy, because we do even me now, my energy right now, preserve that. And I'm very careful who I give my energy to.
Yeah,
you know?
them say them love you, you know?
Yeah.
Quote unquote.
Them say them love you, you know?
Yeah, that's beautiful. I love some answer question, and that's a great answer. Before we leave, how can we find you on social media? Because we have like 30 seconds left. How can everybody find
Bling
you?
Dawg Official, and I even have my fitness page, Bling Dawg Official Fitness. And if you don't remember, just hashtag Ricky Rudy or hashtag Bling Dawg, and I'm sure you'll find my page. Or hashtag Elevate, and I'm sure you'll find my page.
No hashtag there.
That's
like
right. Big up yourself in a Bling.
One love in the Craigie. Let's big up the whole TOK family, and thanks for the support tonight, and much love, and look for bigger and better things. You know what I mean? And thanks for having me on your program.
Our pleasure.
Always.
It's a blessing.
All right. Everybody, Bling Dawg's amazing new album, Elevate, is out now. Make sure you go download it, stream it on your favorite streaming platform. Go support the album. It's a very good album, and the track them bad. Yes,
yeah, thank you guys so much for joining us. Yeah, please remember to check on your loved ones. Guys, we cannot say this enough. Do not forget to support each other as a community, all right?